Hey everyone! Ever wondered why some currency pairs in the Forex market are more popular than others? Well, today I'm diving into the intriguing world of Forex trading to unveil some hidden gems that are not just typical market players and why they're worth a closer look. Let's jump right in. First up, the EUR-USD. Now I know what you're thinking, that's no hidden gem. True, but there's a reason it's one of the most traded pairs. Representing two of the biggest economies, the euro and the US dollar, it's like watching a heavyweight boxing match. The price volatility, it's bread and butter for traders seeking dynamic trading opportunities. Moving on, let's talk about GBP-JPY, often nicknamed the Dragon because of its volatility. It combines the British pound and the Japanese yen, bringing together a fascinating mix of Eastern and Western financial power. What's unique here is the contrast in economies, which can lead to significant price movements. For those looking for a bit more thrill in their trading, keeping an eye on the Dragon might just be your next big move. Now let's shift gears and discuss something a bit off the typical radar: USD, TRY, the US dollar and the Turkish lira. This pair might not hit your screen often, but it's a goldmine of opportunities due to its unpredictability and high interest rate differentials. For traders who can handle a bit more risk, the rewards could be substantial. Given the economic contrast between the US and Turkey, this pair experiences sharp movements that can be lucrative for the keen-eyed trader. But wait, there's more. Have you ever considered looking at emerging market currencies? Take the USD ZAR, the US dollar, paired with the South African rand. It's not something you hear about every day, right? But here's the deal. Emerging market currencies can offer unique insights into geopolitical and economic shifts. The rand, influenced by commodity prices and political stability, can provide astute traders with clues about broader market trends. To wrap things up, while the allure of trading well-known currency pairs is strong, exploring less conventional pairs can uncover exciting and profitable trading scenarios. Whether it's the sheer volatility of GBP-JPY or the economic narratives driving USD-TRY, each pair has a story to tell and profits to potentially yield. Remember, trading involves risks, especially in the Forex market. Always do your homework and consider your risk tolerance before diving into these waters. Happy trading, and see you in the next video where we'll explore more fascinating aspects of the financial world.